Okay, guys, Unburstable Beyblades are back. And this is my shell and rock collection. And I have some fossils too. So let's start with the minerals. I have some agates, amethyst, some aventurine, and some amazonite, then some apatite, aragonite. This is azurite with some malachite in it. The blue is azurite, and you can see the little green malachite in there. Then I have another sample of azurite and malachite. And then I have a small piece of just azurite. It looks like it has some green in it, but it is pure azurite. Moving on to the bismuth. Really cool, lab made, but technically still a real crystal. Then some bluestone, also lab made. It's made of glass. It's really pretty. They have two little hearts. Then brucite. I got this one at the gem show. Then kurosite. You can see words through it, like I put it over agate, and you can see the AG. And conacalite. Peacock ore or chalcopyrite. Then some copper. Red calcite, blue calcite, and orange calcite. Here's a big piece of orange calcite. Then chalcedony. Looks kind of like a marshmallow or something like that. Pretty cool. Then I have some carnelian, some citrine. Here's some malachite, super pretty with some chrysocolla in it. This is one of my prettiest rocks. Then we have some pure chrysocolla, super pretty. Then some more chrysocolla. Now some chrysoprase. I don't know what the brown mineral around it is, but if you can see that green, those green streaks in it, that is the chrysoprase. Then crocoite, very pretty. Then dendrite. This mineral actually grew on it. It is not painted. The dendrite grew on it and made it look like water paint. Looks like some trees. Really cool. Then some dumerterite. Not that colorful, but cool rock. Then a little piece of emerald. Very cool. This has some, if you can see that green, this has a tiny bit of emerald in it. Then some feldspar. And I also have some of this fluorite. And then some fuchsite and galena. And a little garnet in here. Then some gypsum rosette. Then halite. Then some hematite. Then some heliotrope, which is also known as bloodstone. Some turquoise. It's howlite dyed blue. Some jade, nephrite jade, lemon jade. Then some red jasper, Dalmatian jasper, kyanite, and then labradorite. Super pretty and shiny. If I move that around, you can see all the blue sparkles in it. Then lapis lazuli, lepidolite, and lizardite. Then over here, pure malachite, Irish marble. This is a small meteorite. Mica. There's some mica on that too. Mahogany obsidian. Snowflake obsidian. Peridot. Onyx. Pyrite. Pyrophyllite. Quartz. Smoky quartz. Rose quartz. Clear quartz. Small ruby on here. Rhodocostrite. A small sapphire. Scolite. Septarian. Sodalite. Then specular hematite, sulfur, titanium quartz, and then some tourmaline. That's a little piece of watermelon tourmaline. This is some tourmaline. Then tremolite, tiger's eye, normal, red tiger's eye, blue tiger's eye, turquoise, unakite, uranium. Don't worry, it's not radioactive. It has a tiny bit in it, so it's harmless. Wavelight, wolfentite, some Leland blues, and fire opal, boulder opal, common opal, more boulder opal, green opal, pink opal, common opal, blue opal, some type of opal. I have a bunch of opals. Ethiopian opal. This one's an Ethiopian opal. Very pretty. Citrine. Some geodes. Selenite. Some more lizardite. Smithstone. Some crystals. Scolite. Calcite. Pink tourmaline. Smoky quartz. Pyrite. Geode. These are my fluorescent rocks. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video, and these are some of my minerals. part 1.